Hello guys, it's Eminem Tube and today I'm going to be playing Papa's games, and the game I'm going to be playing is Papa's Scooperia. It's one of my most favorite games from Kizzy. If you don't know what Kizzy is like an online platform where you can play games for free. Let's go and play Papa's Scooperia. Okay, so this is the game. You can also get it on iPhone and Android phones. So let's go. So it's also known as a Papa Louie's arcade. Okay. So as you can see, this is the Papa Scooperia game, and I have my saved slot over here with a rank 5. And yeah, as you can see, this is me, and those are my clothes. I also have a server whose name is Milan, and as you can see, I can either play with him or her. Let's continue. Yes, it's payday guys today, and that's so cool. We have a new customer and a peanut butter cookie. So as you can see, we can get the orders right now over here. Let's take this guy's order. He looks like a rapper. So this guy wants peanut butter cookie, chocolate ice cream, and all this stuff. Let's go to the dough station and get this. Now we will dip this in chocolate chips and go to the bake station. Let's just wait for this to bake up, and now let's take this order. As you can see, this is my brother. He's also working here and he's getting the orders of these two people. Let's go and see how our baking station goes. While that is happening, we will make our 2 new cookies. I do this quite quick. Oh no, not that. Oops. We will choose this and dip this in some toffee. Nice. As you can see, this cookie is about to bake, so we will go on it first. Okay, this cookie is ready to go. Now we need to put chocolate ice cream. Let's scoop this quickly. And yeah. Now, is this? And some chocolate carvings. Nice. Now as you can see, we need to put the topping. The topping here is an ice cream cone. Let's drag the ticket and see how Hugo will rate us. 93 points. That's cool. Quite close to 100. While that happens, let us put these guys for baking and get this guy's order. His name is Rico, and he has visited the shop for like I don't know how many times. But let's do his order too. He wants a chocolate cookie like always. And dipped in chocolate. Let's see how these cookies are doing. They're doing good. Look at this guy. Looks like he had no one else. Let's just wait for these guys to bake. And put this order over here. And yeah. Wow. This cookie looks quite crazy. We should make sure they don't burn. Let's put this guy on the plate right now, and this guy. Let's go. Now we will go to the build station. They need 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Wow. Now we need to serve them with some whipped cream and some peanut butter I mean peanuts, this thing, a banana, a cone, and a cherry on top. Let's see how they rate us. 90 points. I mean, not bad. I got at least $4 tip. Oh no, this guy is burnt. Ugh. We have to do that cookie all over again because it was burnt. That sucks. Now let's quickly go to the dough station and quickly do this guy's cookie and make sure it won't get burnt. Let's put it to bake. By the time it's baking, we will do the other order. 2 chocolate cookies. 2 chocolate cookies. 1 with chocolate sprinkles. And 1 with white chocolate sprinkles. Let's go to the bake station. Put these bad boys over here. Oh my god, guys, we have to do this guy's order. Radulin, as you can see, she's a closer. She's very picky about her food. Oh no, we have to do her order first, then everyone else. Let's quickly go to the bake station. Let's see how this cookie is going. Okay, now it's time to quickly build this guy's ice cream. With some chocolate syrup and a cone on top. Quickly we'll do his order. Let's see how he rates us. Okay, cool, 90 points. Nice. Now we quickly need to see if this didn't overbake. Oh, that was so close. Oh my god, guys, we need to do this quickly. The closer, if she doesn't get her served first, then she might rate us bad, and that will leave me with some bad tips. Quickly put some of this, put some of this. I gotta do this quick. It looks like a mess, guys. Oh my god. 2 of these things. Let's see how they rate us. What? They even got extra chocolate, so they should be happy that they got that at least. Now let's quickly do the work for the closer. By the way, closers are very picky people, and they usually rate me bad even though I do their cookies very amazingly. Put this cookie here, put this cookie here. Let's see. She looks like a little radish. That looks weird. Anyways, these bad boys have to be cooked very quickly, or else the video won't end very well. As you can see also, guys, in my inventory I have these furniture, so I put them. Write in the comments down below if you like how this looks. Wow, they all have already risen up a little bit. Just 1 more minute and maybe they will be fully done. And I am going to be also rated by the waiting time. So that's why I wish these cookies would be a bit faster. Perfect. And perfect. Now let's go get some strawberry ice cream. Put it on this cookie. Nice. Now let's get this lavenderish purple ice cream. 1 more pink ice cream. Oh, it looks beautiful. Okay, now let's put some syrup, nice and carefully. Okay, that looks so nice. Rainbow sprinkles. Guys, this is so pretty. And peanut. Now let's also put 3 cherries on top, guys. And we are done. She rates us 67 points. We worked so hard on that. Well, I guess it's the end of the day. Let's see how much points we got. Waiting 95, dough 82, baking 95. Wow. In total, we got 2,537 points. That's so cool. Let's continue and use our tickets to play some game. Blender ball. What's that? Yeah. Oh, it's like that. I got a chocolate poster. That's so cool. Let's play this game again and then the video will end. Let's get the prize. Yes! What did we get? Riveted belt. That wasn't what I was expecting, but we will try to do it again. I gotta get this one. Wow, Fort Onion Wall? Let's quickly go and decorate the lobby. And then this will be the end for the video. Chocolate poster, looks pretty. Oops, where did it go? Nice. Then we also have the onion wallpaper. Wonder how that looks. That looks good. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what new games should I play. Bye!